So I'm doing a voiceover because I really wasn't clear on what I was trying to say. It's simply a gift, you guys, and with most gifts, many don't know the origin or where they were purchased from. So I just want to state that if you search for it online on the internet, I'm pretty sure, like any items these days, it'll tell you the various places where you can find that said product. Now, this bar was very well packed. As you see, they provided you with 3 different size Allen wrenches along with it, though as you can see when I set it up, I will not need it, but I guess over time things will loosen. Now let's continue with the unboxing. First, let's begin with the actual clip that will hold your iPad/tablet.
And then this is the clamp, where if you have it on a shelf, they call it a shelf clamp. If you see, I'll demonstrate this part right here, where you can clamp it onto a shelf and then attach your iPad there. So I have no shelf right now to clamp this on, but I can tell you this is metal. So it will, in my point of view, stand the test of time. I do believe that this is a slide. I need to undo the other part where this slides in, pretty much like your GoPros and other types of cameras where you have the tripod thing that kind of slides and locks in place. And then this mechanism is very strong too. Again, this part, the clamp itself is metal, this is plastic, and this part is plastic, but the rest is metal.
Okay, so let's get to the base, or bar, if you will. It's nice that it actually is a good weight. It has this protective film over it for packaging to protect it. As I said, it has some weight to it. It feels like metal to me. I believe it is. The bar itself is metal as well. The only pieces that are plastic are the little knob to, bless you, tighten, and then there's a gear shape on the little clip, which is also plastic, but it fits inside the mirrored gear shape that is on the bar. And then if you see, the outer ring is like a screw in type base, so it doesn't click in place, it screws in.
Okay, and so you have the quick release tabs for the base of the stand here, which is going to be when you want to attach your device to a shelf. This is what this part is for. And so you depress these quick release tabs and slide it forward, and it comes off. And then here you'll see where you have the shelf attachment right here, and that snaps in place. And this would be where you would attach to the shelf, and then on the other end is where you would then
attach your iPad or tablet.
Now, you're probably wondering, this is facing this way. This does swivel as well, so it would be facing in whatever direction you need it to face in. So it swivels as well on the actual clamp as well as the base. Now, I'm going to remove the said clamp off because I'm not going to use this, and then I'm going to place this back onto the base because I'm going to just be using the stand with the iPad
clip. Now here is where I'm going to attach that iPad clip back on, because that's what I'm using this stand for today. I'm just going to line up those gear shaped mechanisms, and here's where I thought it clipped in place. Had I read the directions all the way through, I would see that it was a screw in mechanism, and so that is what I discovered right here, and that's how you attach the clip.
where it screws into place. This is plastic, but this little knob on the other side of here, I think it's for the clamp here. I'm not sure, but I think it might be for the clamp, but it's already really tight. Like I can't, my hands may not be as strong as others, but I can't even loosen
Clamps
that.
like these give me the feel that I may break them, so it was easier for me to lay it on its side and actually put the iPad inside the clamps. They're really sturdy though, especially in that most clamps have some sort of rubber inside of them. This one is no exception. It has rubber inside as well. And this brings me to the end of my unboxing of my Hoverbar Duo. I did receive it as a gift, but I do believe it was purchased from the Container Store. I especially like the fact that this Hoverbar Duo, I can easily swivel it from portrait to landscape and vice versa in that position with ease and have to worry about it breaking, collapsing, or falling apart. I do believe I'm going to get a lot of use out of this bar. That being said, if you guys like this video, hype it, like it, and why not go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You guys take care and be safe out there.